Hi, so today I want to make a wonderful video in support of bringing more gratitude into your life. So we're going to start with that by bringing your hands up in prayer position. Let your palms be together in front of your heart. And it's very common as humans to focus more on the negative. And I do it as well. But it's important to have moments where we really focus on the gratitude. We want to balance it out. We want to have the yin and the yang. We don't want to have just one. So let's have a moment and focus on gratitude. So with your hands here, just breathe. Let your awareness go inward and just think about all the things you're grateful for. Whatever that may be. And if you're having trouble, just have a moment just to be thankful that you're breathing right now. That you're having a moment just to be. Maybe there's something in your work life, your family life. Maybe there's a hobby that you're able to do that you really enjoy. What are those things? And just make a list of those beautiful things that make you happy. Maybe there's some food you like to eat that gives you joy. Some friends in your life that really support you. Just breathe with that. It could be walks in nature or a pet. Just making that list. Couple more breaths. Then I'm going to invite you to slowly drop your left hand and bring it down to your navel and bring all your fingers together with your thumb on the right hand and bring that back to your heart. So we're going to work with this idea of like we're holding a lantern. And within that lantern are a bunch of fireflies. And all those fireflies are all those gratitude, all those things you're grateful for. And we're going to shine that out. Shine that out to the world. So let's do a little shifting your weight to the right. Let's turn our hips to the right, and that will turn our spine, which turn our shoulders, which turn our arms, which turn the lantern. And we'll shine that off to the right. And now switch your hands. So now your left hand's on top and your right hand is caressing the bottom of the lantern. And without turning, first shift your weight to the left. Now turn your hips to the left, and that will allow the movement. And slowly shine your lantern off to the left. Switch the hands. Grab the lantern with the right hand, hold it with the left hand, shift your weight first. Turn the hips second, which will allow the lantern to slowly go to the opposite side. Switch the hands. Shift the weight. Turn the hips and slowly shine your lantern back over to the left. Once again, right hand on top, shift the weight, turn the hips and slowly turn back over to the right. Once you get a sense of that movement, feel free to close your eyes and just slowly go back and forth. Get a sense of this gratitude, creating a whole field of gratitude around you to support your health and vitality and your strength and awareness of the world around you, that there is also these things that we're grateful for. So just slowly shift the weight, turn the hips, and shine that lantern from one side to the other. And then opening your eyes again, we'll do a few more. And smile. Nice deep breath in and out through the nose. And one more back to the right. And one more back to the left. Good. And then bring your hands back and let them rest on your heart. Smile. Letting all that beautiful energy flow into your heart. And take that into the rest of your day. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.